Billionaires, politicians, and celebrities, how do they hide their wealth? Offshore accounts, shell companies, and secret banking systems have kept fortunes hidden for decades. But what are these offshore havens and how do they really work? Today, we uncover the truth about hidden wealth and the secret financial world of the elite. The world's richest individuals and corporations don't just store their money in ordinary bank accounts. Instead, they use offshore financial centers, also known as tax havens, to legally or sometimes illegally shield their wealth from taxes, legal scrutiny, and even public knowledge. From the Cayman Islands to Switzerland, these financial hideaways allow the elite to operate in secrecy, making it nearly impossible for governments to track their true net worth. But how do offshore accounts actually work, and why do they continue to exist? Hash the secrets behind offshore accounts. An offshore account is simply a bank account held in a foreign country, often in a jurisdiction with low or no taxes, strong privacy laws, and minimal financial regulations. The world's most popular offshore banking locations include the British Virgin Islands, Panama, Luxembourg, and Singapore, all known for their secrecy and favorable tax policies. However, opening an offshore account isn't as simple as walking into a foreign bank. The super rich often create shell companies, business entities that exist only on paper with no real business activity. These companies act as a financial shield, making it difficult to trace the true owner of the money. A billionaire might technically own nothing in their name, yet control a vast empire through a complex web of offshore corporations. One of the most infamous leaks in financial history, the Panama Papers, revealed how world leaders, celebrities, and billionaires used offshore accounts to move money around in secrecy. The leak exposed trillions of dollars hidden in offshore accounts, often used for tax evasion, money laundering, and financial fraud. Despite these revelations, offshore banking continues to thrive. Why do the rich use offshore accounts? For the wealthy, offshore accounts serve multiple purposes. 1. Tax avoidance. Many countries have high tax rates, but offshore jurisdictions offer little to no corporate tax. By shifting profits to a tax haven, corporations and billionaires can legally reduce their tax bills. This is why companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon have been accused of offshore tax schemes. Number 2, secrecy and privacy. Offshore accounts provide extreme confidentiality. In countries like Switzerland, banking secrecy laws prevent authorities from accessing account details, making it difficult to trace hidden wealth. 3. Asset protection. Wealthy individuals use offshore structures to protect their assets from lawsuits, creditors, and even government seizures. This is a common tactic for business tycoons and politicians seeking to safeguard their fortunes. 4. Hiding illicit money. While many offshore accounts are used legally, they also provide a perfect cover for money laundering, corruption, and fraud. Criminal organizations, drug cartels, and corrupt politicians have been caught using these secret accounts to store dirty money. How governments are fighting back. In recent years, governments and financial watchdogs have tried to crack down on offshore tax evasion. Initiatives like the Common Reporting Standard, CRS, and the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, FACA, require banks in many countries to share information with tax authorities. However, loopholes still exist, and the ultra-rich continue to find new ways to hide their wealth. Despite increased regulations, offshore accounts remain a powerful tool for the elite. While everyday citizens pay taxes on their income, billionaires use offshore strategies to legally reduce or even eliminate their tax burden. This has led to growing debates about economic inequality and whether global tax systems unfairly favor the rich. Final thoughts. Is there a hidden global financial network? The world of offshore banking is complex, secretive, and deeply connected to global power structures. While some use these accounts legally, others exploit them for unethical or illegal purposes. The question remains, should offshore banking be outlawed, or is it simply a tool of financial strategy? What do you think? Are offshore accounts a necessary part of global finance, or are they a loophole that allows the elite to avoid responsibility? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into financial secrecy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.